sentences. And have you understood what is parallel structure? I get. Okay. An example. Um the sisters bought shoes, bags, and then went to lunch. Listen carefully. The sister bought shoes, bags, and then went to lunch. This is one sentence. The next sentence, sorry, the next line. Next line, no. I'm giving you two sentences. You have to tell which is correct according to the parallel structure. So the sisters bought shoe, bags, and then went to lunch. The sister bought shoe, bags, and lunch. Which is right according to parallel structure? Yes?
First one.
First.
No?
Ma'am, second.
Why second?
Mm,
The first line is the sister bought shoes, bags, and then went to lunch. The second thing is the sister bought shoes, bags, and lunch. So you will have a parallel structure in second sentence because shoes, bags, and lunch. It is parallel, right? But shoes, bags, and then went to lunch means you are taking next class or next sentence. So there is no parallel sentence, no. So the sister bought shoes, bags, and lunch. Got it?
ma'am, ma'am, parallel structure means we are running two sentences simultaneously.
Pardon?
Ma'am, we say two sentences simultaneously in a parallel structure.
Yes, and it is not two sentences. It should not be divided as two sentences. It should have some coherence like as a single thing. You should not take in between the second sentence. You should have a coherence or you should have a parallel thing in that sentence. I'm giving next example too. Sylvia traveled by plane, boat, and by train. Sylvia traveled by plane, boat, and train. Which is right?
And train.
Yes, and train. And by train is also meant by train and training, right? So there is no need for that by. So Sylvia traveled by plane, boat, and train. And by train is not a coherence or a parallel thing. So Sylvia traveled by plane, boat, and train. So like have you understood what is parallel structure? Understand what is parallel structure? Yes or no?
Not fully, ma'am.
Not fully. Why? What doubt you have?
Ma'am, can you explain once more about parallel structure?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh. See, parallel structure is the arrangement of similarly constructed clauses. Fine. In a sentence, you have a similarly constructed pattern for that sentence. I'm giving an example, then I will explain it. Um, the French, the Italians, the Spanish, and Portuguese. I'm repeating the sentence. The French, the Italians, the Spanish, and Portuguese. And the next thing is the French, Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese. Which is right according to you?
Second one, ma'am.
Second one, the French, Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese. So you should not pause and take other things like the French, the Italian, the Spanish. You should not give, there is no parallel things in that sentence. So the French, Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese. So the meaning will be constructed in a same parallel structure. Another example, in spring, summer, or in winter. Repeating, in spring, summer, or in winter. Second sentence, the spring, summer, or winter. The spring, summer, or winter. Which is right?
Second one.
Pardon?
Second one.
Second one. Why?
Eh,
What?
I can't explain, ma'am, but I got why second
You
is
got
correct.
because in spring, summer, or in winter, it is already meant it is winter. So there is no point to use in word. So you have a parallel structure in spring, summer, or or winter. So you have a parallel structure in that particular sentence. So you have a format for the parallel structure in the sentence. So you should not repeat that word or repeat the thing. So it is also already it is meant. So there is no need to repeat it. For example, the previous example, the Spanish, the Italian, the French. So you should not repeat that. So the French, Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Okay, ma'am.
So our portion's over. Like, you have any other doubt from any other topics which is taught previous? Whole from communication till the last topic of our class. And have you seen this pattern for CD3? Yes. So the part A will be consist of 30 marks, 3 into 130. It is only MCQ. And part B, it is 15 mark. You have to answer two. No. It is 2 mark. You will get 15 questions. That is also MCQ type. And part C, 5 marks. You have to attend 3 questions. So 5 into 3, 15 marks. That will be your descriptive.
Ma'am, is the exam will be held in Core Tantra?
What is that?
In Google Forms only the exam will be held, or will it be held in Core Tantra?
I don't know that. What about your major subjects?
We don't know, ma'am. They didn't give any info.
I don't know. If I get any information, I will let you know. Have you seen the CLAT 4 portions? Assignment on GD in written form and the completion of entire notes in the notebook. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Are you all ready with your notes, entire notes? Why no answer from your side? So, what? Have you all ready with your entire notes of English, like English note? Have you all written it? Okay. So keep ready. Those who still writing, write fast and keep ready with your notes. And have you all completed the assignment which is posted in GCR?
Yes,
Every
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
those who are still didn't turn in, just complete and submit. And those who have less attendance, have you spoke to your class in charge? Register number 65. Sir, Shubham, have you spoke to your class in charge regarding your documents, medical leave, and the increase of your how to increase your percentage attendance percentage? And register number 76, Ravish Kumar. 84, 92, 101.
Yes, ma'am.
Mahan, you have 67 on that day. What is the percentage now?
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Just check your attendance percentage. If it is below 75, ask your class in charge. We increase
Okay.
as you have to attend all the classes.
Okay.
106.
Yes, ma'am.
So again the same thing for you too. On that day you have 65. So see to it. Those who are having below 75, just ask your class in charge whether attending all the classes till model exam will it be raised above 75 or not. Just confirm that and be cautious on that, because if you have a 75 percentage below, you will not be able to write your university exam. So see to it and act accordingly. So I'm giving 10 minutes time. Just go through the all the portions of English, and if you're having any doubt, just ask me.
is it official to submit them as an assignment or something like that?
Ma'am, it is compulsory. Or we have to maintain that.
See, initial class, just mute yourself.
Please,
See, from the starting of first class or second class, I told you that you should maintain notes for English, separate note for English. I told or not? All the topics should be written in that notebook. Whatever the assignment which I gave you, you should write on that note. The running notes, you should take in that note.
Ma'am, do we get marks for that or we have to submit that in GCR?
Of course. Your CT4 is based on that.
Ma'am, how would we submit a notebook in GCR?
That
Yes, ma'am.
It's really long, ma'am. It's like
that thing I will tell you.
I mean, it
But
has
you
something
should-
more than 80 pages and it's not possible, ma'am. We can have some other assignment for that. And also we don't have that very accurate notes about that. Not all pages are complete and not for all topics, because we most of the time we rely on what you post in that GCR, your PDFs. We rely on that. So, ma'am, it was not possible to make accurate and exact notes so that we can submit it for CT4. I think, ma'am, you can understand that.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know, like if for practical examination, you should submit that note.
Ma'am, when
Can't we have any other assignment for that CT4, just like for CT1, CT2, and the CT3?
I don't know, we'll ask our class coordinator and I will let you know.
Yes, ma'am. Please ask about that, because in offline classes, it is very simple to write from Blackboard and copy at the same time. But for online, it's, ma'am, difficult.
Okay, we'll ask and let you know in the next class.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. 251,
Present.
52,
Present.
53, 54,
54 present, ma'am.
55,
Present, ma'am.
56,
Ma'am, no 56. 57 present, ma'am.
58,
Present, ma'am.
59,
present, ma'am.
60,
Present, ma'am.
61,
Present, ma'am.
62,
Present, ma'am.
63,
Present, ma'am.
64, 65, 66,
Ma'am wrote in a chat. Present, ma'am.
okay, 67, 68,
Present, ma'am.
69,
Present, ma'am.
70, 71,
Present, ma'am.
72,
present, ma'am.
73,
Present, ma'am.
74,